Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you how to draw a graph of linear pair equations. How to find out the given equations are consistent, inconsistent, or having many solutions. That means with the help of linear pair equations, how to know that it will have unique solution or many solutions or no solutions. Okay? So we should see general form of a linear pair is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So the case 1 is the two lines represented by linear pair intersect at one point, and then that point is the unique common solution of linear pair. In this case, the equations of the linear pair are said to be consistent. And the condition for this is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Now we are taking two linear pair equations. First is x plus 2y equals to 3, which can be written as x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Second linear pair equation is 4x plus 3y equals to 2, which can be written as 4x plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. So here you find a1. Now we are considering the first equation. So a1 is coefficient of x, that is plus 1. You see here x means 1 into x. Because 1 into x is x. That's why coefficient of x is plus 1. No sign here, that means it is plus. And coefficient of y, that is b1, that is plus 2. Here you see plus 2y. So 2 is the coefficient of y. And minus 3, it is the constant. So c1, that is constant, is minus 3. So a1, b1, c1 we got for the first equation of linear pair. Now for second equation of linear pair, a2 equals to coefficient of x, that is plus 4. b2 coefficient of y, that is plus 3. And c2 is constant, that is minus 2. So second linear pair equation is 4x plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. So here 4 is the coefficient of x, that is a2. 3 is the coefficient of y, that is plus 3. And minus 2 is the constant, that is c2. So here you find that a1 by a2 is 1 by 4, b1 by b2 is 2 by 3. So since 1 by 4 is not equals to 2 by 3, that means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore, the given system of equations has a unique solution. That is, the graphs of these two linear pair equations will intersect each other at a point. And now the graphical representation or geometric representation is shown here. Here you find B, whose abscissa and ordinates are minus 1 and 2. These two lines, this line is the graph of x plus 2y equals to 3, and this is the graph of 4x plus 3y equals to 2. They are intersecting at point B, whose coordinates are minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 denotes abscissa and plus 2 denotes ordinate. So this is the unique solution of these two equations. And unique solution means x value is minus 1 and y value is 2. That means these two values of x and y will satisfy the given equations. If you are putting the value of x and y in these two equations, you will find it is satisfied. That means LHS equals to RHS you will get. That is called satisfied. So the above mentioned equations are consistent system of equations because it has at least one solution. The condition for consistent system of equations is that it will have at least one solution. Yes, that is called unique solution. Unique solution means more than one solution it will not have. And we will consider later on that when more than one solution it will have, then what that will be called. But here the condition is one solution at least it should have. Then only it is consistent system of equations. Now case 2. The two lines is represented by linear pair which do not intersect but are parallel when extended. In this linear pair, in this case, the pair has no solution and the equations of the linear pair are said to be inconsistent. And the condition for this is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. And geometric representation or graphical representation for this system of linear pair equations is this. This is the parallel lines. These two are the graphs of two different linear pair equations. They are not meeting. That's why there is no intersection. So no unique solution. And so it is inconsistent system of equations. Now third, case 3 is. In case 3 you find the two lines represented by linear pair coincide. That means coincide means the graph of both the equations will pass on the same line. That is called coincide. Then in this case the pair has infinitely many solutions. Each point on the line is a solution and the equations of the linear pair are said to be consistent or dependent, and the condition for this is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Example is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0, and second equation is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. So you find that 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 equals to minus 9 by minus 18. And the graph will be this. That means same graph will be for both the linear pair of equations. And that's why every point on this graph is a solution of the given system of linear pair equations. And that's why we say that it has many solutions. So it is consistent or dependent system of equations. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.